Applications of demand analysis. Demand analysis has several practical applications across various sectors and industries. Starting with pricing strategy. Understanding demand elasticity helps businesses set optimal prices for their products or services. By analyzing how changes in price affect demand, businesses can determine the price points that maximize revenue or profit. Next is marketing strategy. Demand analysis informs marketing efforts by identifying target markets, understanding consumer preferences, and predicting consumer behavior. This information guides marketing campaigns, product positioning, and distribution channels to effectively reach and engage customers. Production planning. Demand analysis guides production planning and inventory management decisions. By forecasting future demand based on historical data and market trends, businesses can adjust production levels and inventory levels to meet customer demand while minimizing excess inventory or stockouts. Resource allocation. Businesses use demand analysis to allocate resources efficiently. By identifying products or services with high demand, businesses can allocate resources such as labor, capital, and materials to maximize productivity and profitability. Market research. Demand analysis is a critical component of market research, providing valuable insights into consumer behavior, preferences, and purchasing patterns. Market research helps businesses identify market opportunities, assess competitive threats, and develop strategies to gain a competitive edge. Government policy. Demand analysis informs government policy decisions related to taxation, subsidies, and regulation. Governments use demand analysis to assess the impact of policy changes on consumer welfare, market competition, and economic efficiency. Forecasting and planning. Demand analysis serves as the foundation for forecasting future demand and planning future business activities. By analyzing historical demand data and market trends, businesses can make informed decisions about resource allocation, investment, and growth strategies.